Welcome to Tech Leveler, and if you don't like the idea that your iPhone is tracking you, I'm going to show you how to delete iPhone location history. So what we want to do is head over to the iPhone settings here on your home screen. Now from the main iPhone settings, you want to swipe down until we get to privacy and security. I want to tap into that there. Now from the privacy and the security page, you want to tap into location services here at the top. As you can see, ours is currently on. Now at this stage, if you don't want your iPhone tracking you, you can turn off location services here at the top and your iPhone will no longer track where you're going. However, if you just want to clear the location history, let's swipe all the way to the bottom and let's tab into System Services. Again, let's swipe all the way down and let's tab into Significant Locations here. You'll need to use your Face ID or your passcode to log into this page, and then you'll see here at the bottom, Clear History. And you want to tab on this, and then you'll get this pop up, and we want to clear history again. And as you can see, all the locations have been deleted from the iPhone. So that is how to turn location history off and also clear any location history. I hope you found that video helpful, and if you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.